Welcome back, guys. Today we'll discuss this problem called valid triangle number. Let us read the problem. Given an integer array nums, return the number of triplets chosen from the array that can make triangles if we take them as a side length of a triangle. Okay, so from an array we have to find number of triplets which we can take so that it should follow the length of a triangle. So the length of a triangle is, we know that if sum of two sides of a triangle should be greater than the other side. That means if given three side, sum of any two side will be always greater than the other remaining side. Here let us see a example. Given nums 2, 2, 3, 4, the output will be 3. They are saying there can be valid combination of 2 3 4. Okay, the 2 3 4 will be valid because 2 plus 3 will be 5, which is more than 4. Okay, and 3 plus 4 will be 7, which is more than 2. Similarly, we'll also get 2 to 3, where 2 plus 3 will be 5, which is more than 2, or 2 plus 2 is 4, which is more than 3. We have to notice that 2 to 2 3 4 can be come from here, and 2 3 4 also can come from here. So we can take second two in one solution and the first two in the other solution. So total number of valid combination is 3. Similarly, in this second example, the output will be 4. So uh, what is the constraint is that the number of length should be less than 1000, and the element will be always positive. Okay. So after understanding this problem, let us think of a solution. Let's dry run for this array. This is a little bit bigger array. So what we'll do, we'll start from this element 6, and we'll check in this 6 plus 1 7. Yeah, this is uh, this is greater, this summation is greater than 6, 7 is greater than 6. So we can add 8 minus 0. So there will be 8 combinations such as, because all the this, if we think this is a sorted thing array, all the element having less, all the element will be increasing from this point, and the sum will be also greater than this value. Okay, in that way, from with this element, with respect to this element, there can be 8 possible elements, so we'll add 8 to the result. Similarly, if the summation is greater, we'll go for the next element. We'll decrease our counter to here, and we'll do same. We'll check, and our left is still here, and we'll check for this. If the summation is still uh, greater, we'll add 7 minus 0, 7 here, and if we again decrease our pointer, now if 5 plus 1 6, which is not greater. Okay, then as we know, this is a sorted thing, so we'll increase our left now, and this is 2 here, so it is being hidden, but it is 2. So 5 plus 2 7 is increased. So yeah, we'll again see the difference of this index. 6 minus 1 5, we'll add 5 here. Okay, and we'll decrease this right here, and we'll again check for this 4 plus 2 6, which is not greater than this. So we have to check for every element in, we have to consider the third element, and we can check in the remaining array if what are the count of count of triplet present with respect to this element. Similarly, we'll traverse backward. We'll traverse backward and we'll check for the second last element. Then we'll check for the remaining two elements for our uh, triplet. Okay. So the thing is we need to sort our array. If we are given an unsorted array, if we sort the array, we know that if we start from backward, we know there can be two value present in the left side, which some summation can be greater than the last value. Similar in this with this approach, we can count total number of combination present for a valid triangle. Okay, so enough of talking. Let's start writing the solution. Okay, as we have discussed, we'll be needing will have a count initialize as a 0. Then obviously we need to know the length of the array. Okay, now we'll sort the array. Okay, now we'll start a loop which will be starting from the last index and which will go to first, and we'll initialize our two pointer. Right will be the second element from the right side, so it will be I minus 1, and left will always start from beginning. Okay, and we'll check if the summation of these two pointer is greater than not. So we'll check in we'll do a while loop and check how many combination present. As I have told that we need to check the difference between this right and left, so that we can get if the summation is high from the last element. In that way we can do we can increase the count to. Okay, so before that I need to check for if the sum. I need to count the sum of this left and right. Then if the sum is more than this element, the last ith element, we'll just append the result and we'll decrease the right. If the sum is not greater than the uh, given element, we'll increase the left because the array is sorted. Okay, similarly this is the result will be shown in the count, so we have to return. We'll return the count. Okay, so yeah, let us check for this custom test. This should be 3. Okay, sorry, I have 2 plus plus left. Sorry, I have to do in minus 1 here. Okay. Okay, so for this test case it is coming. Let us check for this test case. The answer should be 4. Then what is happening? Okay, so we are getting the as we expected. Let us submit the code. Yeah, our solution is accepted. Thank you for watching. Please like if you like this video. Thank you.